Dok, 'pag constipated po ba ang baby na 1-year-old, okey lang po ba pasukan ng suppository na Dulcolax?
Yes, okay lang, pero meron pong Dulcolax na pediatric dose. Tandaan niyo, dalawang klase ang Dulcolax, merong adult and may pediatric. Make sure that you are using the pediatric dose, which is a lower dose than the adults. Number one, 'pag binibigyan ho kasi ng Dulcolax na yan, that is a temporary relief for constipation. You really have to consult your pediatrician para bigyan ka ng long-term na gamutan for constipation. Lalo na kung functional yan, you would like to address the food intake, the fluid intake, and sometimes kailangan mag-take ng mga prolonged periods of time na stool softener. Plus, kasi po ang constipation, tandaan nyo, may be or possibly be caused by
Milk?
cow's milk allergy. So unless
So
minsan ma-solve o minsan kasi bigay sila ng bigay ng mga stool softener, bigay ng mga sige fiber tayo, pero still hindi pa rin nag-i-improve yung pasyente kasi yung main source ng constipation, which is cow's milk allergy, in
hindi
a
na-address.
percentage of my patient hindi na-a-address. Kaya andun pa rin yung constipation. Kaya kailangan malaman din ano yung dahilan ng constipation.
Okey, yung pag-administer ba ng Dulcolax na pedia, isang way lang pa ba yun? I mean, isang paraan lang ba yung
Yes.
pag-administer?
Kung more than 3 days na, hindi pa nagpupupo ang bata. And may history na rin siya previously na talagang 'pag nag-poop sila talagang malalaki. Talagang medyo bulky, hard stools na talagang hirap na hirap yung bata. So, we give it 3 days walang pupo. So, ilalagay natin yung suppository tapos wait for 30 minutes to an hour or 2 and then magpa-pass out yung matigas na poop. So, yun lang yung magagawa ng suppository at that time.
Kailangan ba ipaalam muna sa pedia bago pagbigay ng suppository?
Yes, definitely mas maganda kung you are doing it in coordination with your pediatrician kasi paano kung paglabas nun may dugo, o di another problem na naman. So, at saka yun nga, it is just a symptom relief. Para bang may lagnat, binigyan mo ng paracetamol. Period. So, yun lang yung magagawa ng Dulcolax. Pero kung ano yung kailangan ma-target, ano yung dahilan for the constipation. Para yung constipation, hindi balik ng balik. Kasi you just end up putting suppository, tapos after 3 days, constipated na naman siya.
May instances ba na nasobrahan yung paglagay ng suppository?
Parang nagiging sabi nga, habit forming ang nangyayari minsan na kailangan mo ng palaging lagyan ng lagyan. O kaya ayaw din namin talagang na suppository din ng suppository. So, it's really targeting the root cause of the constipation and giving the proper treatment for the constipation rather than giving symptomatic relief. Pero at the moment, para kasi maka-release at ma-disimpact yung bata, we usually nga give suppositories.